Hey everyone, how you doing? Me, Timothy, heading to the bird sanctuary on this snowy and cold day here in Michigan today on 4/22/15. So, how has your wonderful Wednesday been going for ya? Hope it's been going good. Yeah, it's just me and my sweetie pie Penny right there. Say hi, Penny. Both of us are heading off to the bird sanctuary to check out some birds and geese and swines and whatever's there. Well, kitties and everyone, I will be talking to you in a short when we get to the bird sanctuary. But until then, I will be talking to you. See you then.
Really?
Hey, kitties. We are at the bird sanctuary. Don't got very much in here today. Don't know. Oh, she's got eggs. That's what she's got. She's laying on eggs. Aww. Keeping her eggs warm. Must be a mama. There. Keeping her eggs warm, and that must be Daddy over there. Watching over her. Got a mama laying on eggs. Hey everyone. There's some more. Got tempering swines here. These are ones with black beaks on them. Wonder how they get along with the geese. Looks like they're more bigger and stronger than the geese, if you could tell. Don't got too many out here for some reason. Kind of a chilly day here to be here at the bird sanctuary. Do any of you got a place like this where you're at? Leave a comment. Let me know if you got a place like this where you're at. I'd like to know. Got a geese right there walking along the fence. Got some laying right there. She must be on a nest. Tempering swans. Got a couple ducks. I got one right there. He's saying, "Hey, how you doing? How you doing?" Got one right there. Got one laying over here on her eggs. Right there. Won't be done, ready to hatch until May. Until May. Got some more swans. That's a regular swan with an orange beak on it there. And got some geese. And got a duck laying up here. Got some more geese. And swans. Yeah, got a lot of them out here. Got one right there with like a tag on them. Wonder what that means. These things are much bigger than your swans, I tell you. I mean your geese. These swans are huge. I wonder who would fight and win. Drop your comments, let me know. Who do you think will win a battle? I'd like to hear from you. Hey everyone. There's some swans right there. Those are the ones that have the orange beak in them. And those two, they got black beak. Wonder what's the difference between the ones with the orange and the ones with the black. If any of you know, drop a comment, let me know. Are they related to each other or from a different brand? You can tell how more fluffier their wings are than their wings. Yeah. Again, do you got a bird sanctuary where you're at? Drop a comment, let me know. If you got a bird sanctuary where you're at. Looks like a problem mama might be laying on her nest here. Got a small place for birds over here. Got a black swan right there. Got a One up there. This area doesn't got very much. Great horned owl. That's what you're looking at, everyone. This is what he looks like. I guess this bird came to the sanctuary in 2008 after her wing injury was treated at the Michigan State University Veterinary Clinic. Her age is unknown, but her large size suggests she is a female. She is now an addiction bird and has been trained to stand calmly on the close of the program. Pretty bird, huh? See her? Red-tailed hawk. That's what these birds are, people. Red-tailed hawk. The larger, darker color hawk has a left wing injury. The smaller, lighter hawk was found with a right wing injury that required parts of its wing to be amputated. Both birds were brought here after a veterinarian. They would not be able to hunt and fly. Aww. They're stuck here until it's time for them to go. Huh. Poor birds. That's called an eastern screech owl, everyone. This is what he looks like. Guess they had to amputate his wings so he can't fly. He got injured. And a lot of these birds that you're seeing, they can't fly anymore. They're out of commission. And they're right here. Yeah, that's what he looks like. Bald eagle. Guess this bald eagle hatched in the wild in 1985 in Kellogg, Michigan. He was found in 2003 with a broken wing and was rehabilitated at Michigan State University. Got a couple geese here. I know, they're walking around by me. Oh, just walking around. Well, that poor guy, like I was saying, he first went to Porter Park Zoo, but came here to the bird sanctuary, and then, you know, they had to amputate his wing, and he cannot fly. Although he looks big, he weighs only 8 pounds. Yeah, a bald eagle. Great horned owl. We got another one here. This is the second one they got here. And the same thing happened to her. Just like the other one happened, the wing and everything. Yep, got another owl here. They believe she's a female too. How many of you where you're at got a owl at your sanctuary? If you got one, drop a comment, let me know. Hey everyone, this is a red-tailed hawk. Her story is this female was found injured on the side of a road as a hatch-year bird in 2009. She disclosed her right wing and came here after a wildlife veterinarian determined she was not releasable. Her injury prevented her from flying, but she is now an educated bird and has been trained to stand calmly on the glove of programs. Yep. That's what this red hawk looks like. A red tail hawk. Hey everyone, this is a red-tailed hawk. And they don't know of her age and personal history, but she's been here since 2002 here at the bird sanctuary. And she was found with her wing broken and everything. She can't fly, but has learned to keep balance, even though she does not have the use of her twofold wings. Just sitting there being quiet. Hey everyone, how you doing? It's me, Tim. This is called a barn owl. Yeah, barn owl. Get a close-up on it. Yeah, barn owl. Just sitting there being quiet, perched in this box thing, and well, let's see. This male came to the bird sanctuary in 2011 from a wildlife center in Florida. Ooh, he came from Florida. He was found as a hatch-year bird in 2006 with an injury right wing. Although his injury was treated and he remains unable to fly, his permanent injury prevents him from being able to live in the wild and hunt successfully. Oh, poor thing. Came from Florida. Way down south. Wonder why they shipped him here for. And that's what he looks like. see swans over there on a nest. Well, everyone, we are back in the vehicle after taking you on a tour through the bird sanctuary today. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you could do that for me. And also, let me know if you liked it and enjoyed it. I like doing things like this for all of you out there to enjoy and watch. I really do. I enjoy doing things like this to make you all happy. And if you got a bird sanctuary where you are at, do a video from there and post it. I would like to see your bird sanctuary if you got one where you're at. I would really appreciate it if you could do that for me. Well, everyone, I want to say thanks for watching. You all take care, and I'll be talking to you real soon.